What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing Spider-Man Symbiote suit, the black one. It's from the Fortnite skin, right? And there's no lines or anything on his face, so it's best probably just to draw the shape for the head first, right? So it's up here. So I'm going to just start with like the curved line on top for the top of the head, right? Like so. So then we'll start to gradually bring this down, right? Around like so. And like that. And about here becomes his jaw, so it goes into his chin, right? So it goes in this way, in this way. And then you have his chin that kind of comes across here. Okay. So you make these lines as thick as you want. Okay, so that's like generally the shape for Spidey's head, right? And just a little bit lower than halfway. So say here to here, about the same as here to here. Right? So the halfway point sort of is where his eyes will be. So say starting just here, right? So it's a little bit lower than halfway, I think. Just here, down the head. And then we'll go to the corner. And then this will go around to there. And then on the other side, same thing again. Down around. To here. And if you want, you know, frown lines and things in the center. So that's kind of all we have to do for his face, which is pretty easy. Well, once you get the right shapes and stuff. Where's my picture for him? Yeah. Because he just has like a black face. So maybe like a rim just like coming around here a little bit. And just clean up some of these lines now. Okay. Right, so his body's kind of turned 3/4, right? So we got his neck lines coming down here. Right. And like in the back of his trapezius will go off this way. So the center line for his chest curves this way. Okay. And then you'll have a neck muscle going towards that, and a neck muscle going towards that. Right, so your neck muscle is always going towards the center of your chest. Okay. So his collarbones are like the top of his chest muscles will go out this way. Right, and the other one up to here. They always go towards your shoulder. Right, so we're in 3/4, right? So he's got like a big shoulder that sticks out here. Big shoulder muscle. Right, it's kind of shaped like a sort of a love heart sort of thing, right? So you'll have like the center deltoid sort of there. Kind of looks like a love heart. And then his bicep goes out this way, tricep out there. Maybe like an Adam's apple or something in here. And just some trapezius lines going that way, neck lines and stuff. And then like a bicep line just going down his arm there. So this side of his body is twice the size of this side because we're in 3/4 pose, right? So say his body is like here and his other chest muscle will come across and just go up into his armpit here. So you might have like an armpit line there and some muscle fiber lines and stuff like that. And there's like abs and stuff here. Okay, so just some basic anatomy like this. So this side is twice the size of this side. So this side will be real skinny, right? So we got like trapezius here, and then shoulder muscle coming out this way, right? And it'll go behind his other chest muscle just here. Right, so this is like his deltoid on the other side. So this is half the size of this, from shoulder to the middle of his chest. 1, 2, okay? 3/4 pose. So chest, bicep just there, and then his arm goes off down that way. And the other side of his sort of ribs and abs on this side just goes down here. And then the bicep goes in this way. Maybe like a vein or something might be good. Okay, and then like, you know, as much texture and stuff like that as you want. So I'm just gonna clean up my edge lines. Thickening them up can help. And then we'll add the spider on the center of his chest. So this is probably like the easiest version of Spider-Man to draw because there's no lines. Okay, and you can add as much of those neck muscle lines and stuff as you want. Now, the symbiote, right, that's in here. So we'll draw it in with black. So we'll go for the fang, one on that side of his chest, the other one on this side of his chest. And then it's like, it's a round head, right? But the legs all come out from it. So we'll go with this round sort of section here. Then we have legs going out here. And they come up to this spike, down, and go underneath his armpit. There. Same on this side, except smaller. Okay, so this side is much skinnier than this. And then, so this goes around, say, like that. And each one of these goes to a leg. Right, you just keep doing this until you have 4 of them that you're happy with. So 1, 2, this is the third. So 1, 2, 3, one more. And then, so his abdomen sort of down there for the spider, the other side here. And then we get more legs that just come much skinnier going down. So like, so each of these is where they connect. Like so. Now if I go too fast, just pause it. And then of course he's colored black. And some shading if you wanted. Right. But there you go. That is how to draw. That's a quick one. No webs. That's how to draw symbiote suit Spider-Man Fortnite skin. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.